Here we go. We're going into the closing bell. We have Amazon.com that's going to report earnings after the close. You can see the value. We've got Google that's going to be reporting. We have Intel and we have Microsoft. And I can tell you right now that the Amazon trade is right here and we'll be coming back live with the results and the trades that we put on and the call options versus put options. Today's date 10/26, 2017. This is a 15-minute chart that's in the after hours. We haven't got any numbers yet on Amazon, but at least you can see it live here and now. Yes, you can. And not only that, we're going to have some other big ones in here, just so you know. So there's a lot of controversy around it. I'll return momentarily. You can see here clearly that there are some shares and after hours markets, hedge fund, money managers, they're kind of playing around with it before we go into the report. This is a 15-minute chart after hours. Yes, it is, and we're bringing it to you live. And then we're going to go over the call and the put options that were done today. We do have Google coming out after the close as well here, printing at 993. Waiting on the numbers, but I can show you very quickly Google is reporting as well. And these are the numbers, and we'll be covering this big bellwether on how to trade the options going in to an earnings report. Okay, here we go. We're going to be finding out which one it's going to be neck and neck, and yes, it is. We got Amazon all over on a 15-minute after hours chart right here. I do not have a number. We are covering Google, and Google is selling down very hard right now. This is Google right here. You see it. Amazon hasn't posted the numbers, but you can see Google tanking at this minute. Oh, yes, you can. Look at that thing go. Look at it go. It's released a number. I will get reports on that, and I'll come back. I repeat, I will come back. Closing bell. They were selling Google going in. The closing bell has just come out. Now we're going to be on standby. Okay. Here we are. They were selling Google going into the close. Closing bell just did its thing momentarily ago. Covered the closing bell. We're going to get this pop to happen on part one of an earnings announcement and how you too can be here and how you can have the call side and the put side as well. Okay, we got it moving. We're at 890. I see an 892. A number must have come out. I've got an 882. I've got an 882, 878. It's all over the map. We just hit 990 on that wick. I haven't got a number yet, but I can tell you one thing. We're hitting at 887. We just hit here on that 15-minute chart, this 15-minute candle. Oh, yes, hubba, hubba, hubba. Okay, here we go. I just seen $1,000 print. We're running. I haven't got the numbers yet, you guys, but you can see that 15-minute chart on what we call a knee-jerk reaction. And we're printing at 1,005. And we continue to rip up. And there it is after hours on Amazon.com.
AMZN.
So we're going to have to see exactly what it does, everybody. Everybody's excited for this name. Oh, yes, they are. Oh, my goodness. I print 105, 108, 110. I got a 15-minute chart on Amazon on part one. Yes, I do. Here it rolling. It's a rolling. It's rolling up to 110. It's rolling. It's rolling. It's rolling, everybody. I got a 121. I seen a 124. There's the 124. We're rolling. There's 125. It's on fire. I don't have a number yet, but you can see the after hours. Yes, you can. 125. That would be an all-time high at 130. We're in the action, everybody. At 125. I seen a 127. I see him coming around the corner at 130. And I'll be right back. All right, everybody, you can see that at 144, 145 I seen. Do I see a 150 coming up? There it is, 145. Look at that candle. We got Johnny the Whack and Tommy Two-Tone at 150. And you want to call for a payday, you're seeing a payday. All right. Hey, everybody, I'm going to be going over the numbers. We're at 1040, 1039. You can see that 1040, 15-minute call chart on Amazon hitting 1,050.
AMZN.
We go, everybody. We're going to make a fortune. You heard what I said. We're going to make a fortune. Not only are we going to make a fortune, we have a lot of call contracts. Our little accounts like this one here has 15 contracts and then a position of 4 taking profits. We have other accounts that have 30 contracts that will make, probably $130,000. You can see it printing at 1050. And guess what? Everybody, we care about you if you're watching this video. In fact, we care about you so much that you could take the free 5-day trial. We're a market making firm and we know how to do earnings, man. And this one here is just like Babe Ruth. Hit the ball over the wall. And the thing about it is the earning numbers, which I will go over with the rest of our market making team, are good enough to keep sending this one clear to orbit. They'll be up there for a while. Here we are at 1047. Here's that 15-minute par. And like I said, we had the $980 calls, which was that high of the day. 968. We also had some 975 calls in some of our super big accounts. And some of those guys will probably make, I would say around $200,000 because they had, 50 or 100 contracts and we're up 75 points, and we continue to rip on. You could say Rip City, and guess what? Get into our free 5-day trial. We care about you. We will give you the entry, the exits. We will manage the risk. You will be trained in our yearly program, and you will learn everything, and you will know why things happen when they happen. Google's coming up on board, everybody. We have the Google calls as well. Oh, yes, we do.